Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today in this session we are going to discuss top 10 interview based questions on rational agents in artificial intelligence. These questions are very important and definitely these will help you get good marks in upcoming interviews. So now let's just start the discussion. The first question says, which of the following best describes a rational agent in artificial intelligence? So here we have four options. Before moving to the options, I would like to uh, tell you about rational agents in AI. So basically, in AI, rational agents are designed to make some optimal decisions based on their goals, based on their previous knowledge and the available resources. This is how rational agents work in artificial intelligence. Now, in this question, as you can see, we have four options. An agent that acts without considering the outcome. So, this cannot be a correct answer because I have told you here it is a goal based agent. सो गोल बेस्ड एजेंट में हमेशा आउटकम्स को कंसिडर किया जाता है और यहाँ पर लिखा है विदाउट आउटकम्स. ओके, दैट्स व्हाई option number A cannot be a correct answer. Second option says an agent that always succeed. No, any agent in computer science, any agent in artificial intelligence कभी भी हमेशा वो सक्सीड नहीं हो सकता, कभी भी फेलियर भी उसमें हो सकता है. सो ये भी गलत है. Another option is an agent that always performs the action that maximizes expected performance. So, this is your correct answer. A rational agent in AI is basically designed to make some decisions, and these decisions are based on actions. These decisions are based on the actions that maximizes its expected performance given the knowledge it has. Okay, it is simply known as rationality. And the rationality here in rational agents has basically four criterias. First is its performance measure. Another is your percept sequence. Another is knowledge of the environment. We have already discussed these points in detail in previous lectures, right? अगर आपने वो अभी तक नहीं देखे हैं तो you can check the description box. I have added the links there. So rationality depends on performance measure, percept sequence, knowledge of the environment and action choices. All right. So fourth cannot be your correct answer. Why? Because an agent that is driven by randomness. So no rational agent can ever be driven by your randomness. We have some previous knowledge, we have some available resources, we have some rules with the help of which we can drive the rational agents. So I hope everything is clear. If you have any doubt, you can definitely comment below. I will help you. Next question is, rationality is defined as what? So rationality means always making the right decision in hindsight. Next is making decisions based on current knowledge to maximize the performance. Third point says action randomly to achieve optimal outcomes. Fourth option says selecting actions without regard to the environment. So the rationality we have discussed in previous question. Rationality means making decisions based on the current knowledge to maximize the performance of the agents available in AI. All right. This is the direct definition of rationality. We have some other rational decision making aspects. We have some rational decision making aspects related to rational agents. The first is our current knowledge. These are the keywords with the help of which you can definitely get the correct answer. First is your current knowledge. Another is performance measure. Another is adaptability. And last is the environment and action consequences. All right. So these are the basic aspects under rationality or rational decision making. Next question says, which of the following is not a property of a rational agent? Not a property of rational agent. So we have discussed about autonomy, utility, we have learning agents. All these three are the different types of rational agents, right? But irrationality is not the property of rational agent, because we have rationality as the property of rational agents that we have discussed in these two questions, right? So the correct answer will be your option number 4. What is the meaning of autonomy? Basically, students, in AI, autonomy, utility, and learning are the key concepts that are basically used to define and enhance an agent's capabilities. Okay, all these three are used to enhance the agent's capabilities. Autonomy says it is an agent's ability. Let me write it here. It is an agent's ability to operate independently of external instructions and human interventions. All right. Utility means what? Utility in AI refers to a numerical measure. We have discussed earlier, right? It is the numerical measure of an agent's satisfaction or performance based on the outcome of its actions. We have utility based agents. We have discussed this in types of agents. You can check the previous videos. Now let's just talk about learning. We have learning based rational agents. So it refers to an agent's ability to improve its performance over time just by acquiring new knowledge from their experiences. That is called learning rational agents. Next question is, which of the following components is crucial for a rational agent? What are the crucial components? Sensors and actuators, only sensors, a fixed sequence of actions, constant guidance from humans. So crucial component cannot be a constant guidance from humans. All right. It cannot be a fixed sequence of action. That is the property of rational agents. Only sensors are not crucial. So a combination of sensors and actuators are crucial for rational agents. All right, so option number 1 is your correct answer. Um, for a rational agent to function effectively, sensors and actuators are crucial components. Sensors, how the sensors work? So these are used to perceive the environment. These are used to perceive the environment. They can also provide agent with information about the world around it, and this perception is necessary for the agent to make informed decisions. And how does actuators work? So these enables the agent to take actions in the environment based on its decisions, allowing it to interact with and influence its surroundings. All right, so option number A is your correct answer. Next is utility based agents are. So we have discussed this in previous question. Utility based agents. So utility is nothing but it is a numerical measure of an agent's performance or agent's satisfaction, and this numerical measure is based on the outcome of its actions, right? So the correct answer is a model of rational behavior with a utility function. Rule based system, यहाँ पर लिखा है that is your rule based agents property. ओके, सो रैंडम चॉइसेस नहीं होती हैं, फिक्स्ड सीक्वेंस ऑफ एक्शंस भी यूटिलिटी में नहीं होता है. If a rational agent receives feedback from its environment, here we have one rational agent and it is receiving some feedback from its previous environment, it is an example of learning agent. I have told you in previous question, in learning agent, it has the agent has the ability to improve its performance over time just by acquiring the new knowledge from the experiences. Okay, so receiving feedback or receiving the previous knowledge is related to the learning agents, not utility, deterministic, and autonomous. All we have done in previous videos. Next is, which of the following characteristic is most critical of rational agents in a partially observable environment? So now we have to find out most critical characteristic under the partially observable environment. That is your memory, speed, simplicity, reflex based responses. So students, whenever we talk about partially observed environments, where we observe from the previous knowledge, where we observe anything from the previous learnings, that is taken by the memory. Which of the following statements about rational agents are true? Rational agents ignore past experiences to prevent biasness. So, is this statement true or false? We have discussed this point so many times. So, this particular statement is false because past experiences can be used in rational agents to prevent the biasness. Another is, rational agents maximize their actions based on predefined sequences. So it is not 100% sure. It is not always possible in every situation that rational agents maximizes their performance. So this cannot be a correct answer. Another is, rational agents choose actions based on their knowledge and capabilities to achieve the best possible outcome. So this is the key word. Rational agents are always used to achieve or to get their best possible or best optimal outcomes. So option number C is your correct answer. So here is the wrong point. Rational agents always have full information. No, they don't always have full information about the environment where they are working. Next point says, when operating in a non-deterministic environment, what should a rational agent consider before choosing an action? So any rational agent, before accepting or rejecting any action, what should they do? The expected utility of all possible actions. Next question, what makes a model based agent more suitable? Model based agent means जहां पर हम काम करने से पहले उसका एक प्री डिफाइंड मॉडल सेट करते हैं, ओके, उसी मॉडल को फॉलो करने के लिए एक गोल सेट को वो रेडी करते हैं. What makes a model-based agent more suitable for handling dynamic environments compared to a simple reflex agent? The correct answer is, it builds an internal representation of the world, allowing it to anticipate the result of its action. तो यही होता है मॉडल बेस्ड एजेंट, जहां पर हम एक मॉडल क्रिएट करते हैं कि हमारा फाइनल रिजल्ट ये होना चाहिए, एक गोल सेट डिसाइडेड होता है और उसके अंदर क्या क्या एक्शंस होते हैं वो भी हम डिफाइन करते हैं. सो ऑल दीज टाइप्स ऑफ रैशनल एजेंट्स वी हैव डिस्कस्ड इन previous lectures in types of rational agents part 1 and part 2. You can check the description box. So all these questions are very important. I hope everything is clear to you. If you have any doubt, you can definitely comment below. So thank you so much everyone and all the very best.